In this video, I'll demonstrate how to make a feathered chain stitch. Again, I'm starting on the left-hand side of my work, and the point of the chain where the two stitches go back down into the same hole, that's going to be the tip of your leaves, and the looped end of the chain is going to be the base of the leaf. So this is at the top of my stem where I want the tip of a leaf to start. So I'm going to go back down in the same hole, and then bring the needle up about 1/4 of an inch down along the same line inside the loop and pull it to form my first chain stitch. Then I'm going to take a straight stitch down along the line about 1/4 inch. Then to start feathering my stitches, I'm going to go to one side of the line, bring my needle up at around the same level as the base of the previous chain, form that loop, put my needle down at the same point, and bring it up inside the loop at the base of that same straight stitch. And pull it there as a first leaf. Then I'm going to go ahead and go down another 1/4 inch, bring it up at the base of that previous leaf on the other side, go down in the same hole, forming a loop, and bring the needle back up at the base of that previous straight stitch. So you continue like that, staggering the little leaves on either side as you work. Obviously, if you wanted to do a continuous feathered chain stitch so that you could make a wreath, you wouldn't start with a single stitch at the tip. You would just match this up so that they were staggered the entire length of your, say, circle or a border. Or you could do it pointed at each end, depending on the kind of motif you're going for. So you could embellish this stitch further. I showed you in the whipped stitches video how I had wound another darker color of thread along the stem to create a little bit more dimension. You could also come back and put little French knots in each of the intersections to be little berries or flower buds. This would make a very delicate wreath or border. This is another great stitch to add more leaves and stems to your projects, and it's great for any project where you want a very delicate looking vine.